Welcome to the LDAR Tools video tutorial customizing the view of your LTI desktop. In this tutorial you will learn how to remove and recall panes, resize the panes, move the panes, create and manage flyout panels for the features, and open the quick links and customize your protocols. So let's get started. This pane is for the dashboard. You can remove this pane by clicking on this X. You can recall the pane by going to the view, going to the dashboard, and clicking on the L-star score, and it comes back. Now you can see that this L-star score is a daily, weekly, monthly score for all of your technicians in the L-star program. You can make the desktop go away similarly by clicking on this X, and if you want to bring it back, you go to View, Dashboard, and click on the LDAR Tools Desktop Manager Help right here. You can resize these panes by simply grabbing the pane at a margin and pulling it this way or going that way, grabbing it here, going this way, or going that way. You can move the panes by clicking, as we're showing right here in the tab, grabbing it, it changes colors, and then move it. And you see right here in the blue section here, there are essentially 5 positions you can put it in. You can put it right here and then it goes to the top, or you can grab it, bring it back down here and put it to the right and it goes back to where it was. Or you can grab this plugin summary. It changes colors when you click on it, and you can move it with respect to any one of these. Like if you wanted to put your plugin summary below your online help, then it would appear right there. Now we kind of like having it right there, but you can put it wherever you want it. You can create and manage your flyout panels for the protocol settings. These are your quick links. You will be able to set individual settings for virtually all of these choices. We're going to take one as an example here, right here at the components out of sequence. You click on it and you see you have 3 things happening. To the right you see a map, and that shows the GPS position of the component that is selected right here. But we're going to focus on establishing the settings. And if you hover your cursor right here over the settings, then a flyout panel appears that gives you the chance to enable or disable this particular setting. Now, I haven't clicked on that setting, I've simply hovered the cursor there. So watch what happens when I move it out. It simply goes away. This is designed to keep it from being on the screen for longer than you want it there. I put the cursor there and it enables you to come over here and turn it off or turn it on, depending on what your choice is, but it doesn't force you to deal with this, because as soon as I move my cursor out, it disappears. That's why we called it a flyout. It flies out, it flies away. But if you want to keep it here, then you see the pin. I can click on it. If I click on settings, the bar changes yellow, which means it's going to stay here. I can always use this pin here. I can move it back and forth to create its position here, or I can have it fly away. So that's what we do with the flyout panels, and the same thing happens with OEL. I click here, my settings are already apparent. I can make them come or go, stay, or fly away. Thank you for listening to this tutorial, and in the next one we'll begin to analyze how you can set the individual features for all of your protocols.